Alright everybody, it's been a while since I've been out to work. I've been at home at the shop fixing. Every now and again you gotta stop and do that. So, we're here going to fix engineered screw. Today, we are working on this piece of ground right here for the customer. The county came in, put in an engineered set of culverts last fall. Brand new. Their location was engineered and everything. So let's get out and talk about this. Okay, so at a local, well, I say local, an engineering firm in the area that's nationwide did all the design work, because originally about a quarter mile down there was one culvert that crossed the road. Water would come up to this, come from the west here, down this ditch, and last year or the year before, the farmer had somebody come clean it out. You can still see fresh spoils over there, and the fact that the grass hasn't reestablished. So it would come down here and it turn south, go a quarter mile down that ditch. This driveway wasn't here, and it would come back over here and it would dump into the field. Well, the farmer to the west had the engineering company come in and design, because the water wasn't getting away fast enough now that they've cleaned the ditch out. So the engineering company designed up to the roadway here that this is what it needed to take the drainage from upstream. Well, now the farmer here to the east has water coming on him faster than it was before. I'm not saying more water, just faster than it was before. And it goes directly out into his field. Well, since they've tripled the amount of water coming across the road, which that's their numbers, not mine, from their engineering paperwork, this eventually goes out that way about a quarter mile, and then it dumps into this ditch. See the culverts? The ditch right there. That's where it ends up. Also, there's a berm that was built here. So, if the engineers would have decided to put the culvert the other direction, the water would have ended up where it was supposed to end up. We're gonna fix it. Also, this neighbor here to the north is needing, there is a small plug in the drain further on down. We're gonna go down and clean out. That farmer has his own excavator, but he doesn't have a way to haul it. So we're just gonna go ahead and take care of that while we're here. And we're gonna get after it. One of the things that we did this last week, so we got a universal cutting edge and put it on the bucket. So we could wear now our new bucket. Got the paint off of it today. out and looked at this job. We were talking with a neighbor. You can't even see it. The power poles that are clear. Well, there's a road almost a half mile that way. What we found, there's a beaver dam here. Kind of a beaver dam. We are going to break it out here. To allow this to drain better. There's a lot of water running through there. That should help. That should help a lot. Now, we walk back to the truck. Another 30-minute walk. 2-minute project. Oh well. Still walking. Still walking, but I can see the power poles now. Still walking, although the road's right over there. Well, we gotta go all the way up. Those telephone poles down there to get across the road ditch. Aha! We made it to the road. Alright, so we're loaded, ready to go home for the day. We got this pretty well cleaned up. I think it looks pretty good. Cleaned out around the culverts a little more because they buried the ends of them a little. And then got good flow going that way. We got a pretty good little berm going up here. Keep the water from breaking off into the field. Should work out pretty good. Cleared the beaver dam from down the creek a ways, a long ways, because the water's not even backed up here. So let's say we had a pretty good day.